Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. In this video we are going to discuss the cutoff marks for the post of Public Prosecutor of CBI, for which the recruitment was notified by the UPSC through advertisement number 19/2016, and the total post notified at that time was 47 post of Public Prosecutor in Central Bureau of Investigation, which was notified by the UPSC through advertisement number 19/2016, for which a CBRT was held, followed by an interview. So what was the minimum suitability marks, what was the highest marks, and how many people appeared in the actually recruitment test, and what was the minimum selected marks upon which a candidate was selected for these posts through the UPSC in the CBI PP post, that is Public Prosecutor. So how many total people who actually appeared for these posts in the CBRT process was 1365, that is 1365 only. Only out of the total people applied, only 1365 people actually appeared for CBRT process for these posts. Out of 1365, general category people were 606, OBC appeared was 415, SC appeared was 289, and scheduled tribe appeared is 46. Thereby total makes 31356, whereas upper it is written 1365, here it is written 1356. We can make it a total 365, 15 and 6, 21 and 21 and 46. So it is actually 13. Okay, now comes how many posts were there. The total posts were 47, out of which 21 posts were reserved for unreserved categories, including 2 vacancies for PH, physically handicapped, and OH. 14 posts were notified for OBC category, including 1 PH candidate. 8 vacancies were for SC, 4 were for scheduled tribe. That thereby total makes of 47 posts. And it is mentioned that 4 OBC candidates have been recommended against the unreserved vacancies, and 1 SC PH candidate selected for SC standard. So here we can see that out of the total vacancies of 21, 4 OBC candidates qualified on the parameter for unreserved general category. So they didn't fall in the category of OBC, rather they fall in the category of general, and they took 4 posts of general categories, and thereby the rest of the posts were filled by actually UR categories. So what was the minimum marks and all those things? The recruitment test was held out of 300. The minimum marks, suitability marks in the written examination was 201.50, 201 marks, 0.50 marks minimum. Interview again 50 marks, and because for the general and UR category the interview is of 50, OBC it is 45 marks, and SC ST categories it is 40 marks out of 100. That is a minimum suitability criteria. If a person who will not be able to score 50 marks in the interview in the general category will even not be considered for the post. Maybe he might have qualified the written examination on a very high score, but then also he will not be considered for the post in the final selection. So in a general category or OBC category or SC ST category, a person in a general category must minimum score 50 marks in the interview out of 100. For OBC category, minimum 45 marks out of 100. For SC ST candidates, minimum 40 marks out of 100 in order to make himself eligible after clearing the written examination. Minimum 50 marks he must score in general, 45 for OBC and 40 for SC ST, so that he can be considered for the final result. So 201.50 was a minimum marks in the UR general category, but the final selection minimum was done at 286.33, much higher than. We can see that it is approximately 35 more marks, and the highest marks in the UR category was 320.33, 40 marks difference, approximately 35 marks again difference. So out of the recruitment test, more than 35 marks for the minimum final selection, and highest selection the topper of the UR was at 320.33 in order to score position number 1. Now in the OBC category, we can see that out of 14 vacancies, the minimum recruitment test marks was at 179 out of 300. How many marks? 179 marks out of 300. 45 marks for the interview, which I told you is a minimum requirement. But again, it raised to 261.68. How many? 261.68. A person got selected at a minimum 261.68 marks in the OBC category. And the highest mark scored by the OBC in the OBC category is 303.33. How many? 303.33. In the SC category, the minimum marks for the recruitment test was 153. The minimum for the interview marks was 40, but again it was raised up to 222.83. That is 222.83. A person who have scored minimum 222.83 was selected for the final appointment. And the highest mark scored by the SC category was 273.18. 273.18. Now comes to ST, scheduled tribe category. The minimum marks out of 300, ST category scored is 89. Out of 300 marks, only 89 marks. Only 89. 40 marks again interview, and minimum marks for in order to get a final selection in scheduled tribe category is 171.18. 171.18. And the highest mark scored by scheduled tribe is 191.18. It is only 191.18. In the PH category, if you will see, it is minimum marks was 150, interview again 40, but the minimum suitability for the final selection was at 239.68. In the PH VH category, only minimum marks was 44 out of 300. I am telling you all these marks out of 300, 40 marks out of 100, but the minimum selection was done at 227. 227. Here we can see that the written examination was of 300 marks, interview was of 100 marks, and the weightage was 75-25. So people, now we can see by these cutoff that one has to do a rigorous study in order to clear this exam, because it is not only the written you have to clear, you have to make it to the final list. For that you have to actually score more high marks in the written, and also give a good interview so that you can score more than the minimum suitability marks, so that you can make it to the final list of the selection. Here friends, I am ending this session, and in the upcoming videos, if you have any problem, you can post your comments and queries in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to the channel and press the like button and bell icon, and also refer it to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.